Okay, next we are going to see about second FIR structure, that is linear phase structure. Obtain the linear phase structure of a function h of z equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 z inverse plus 1 z power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 z power minus 3 plus z power minus 4 plus 1 by 3 z power minus 5 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 6. In this problem you have to find the linear phase coefficients, that is which are the coefficient at a linear phase using the linear phase FIR condition, that is h of n equal to plus or minus h of capital N minus 1 minus n. For that you have to know the order, that is n. Here n is you have to see the maximum value of a coefficient, that is z power minus 6. Maximum order is minus 6. You have to add plus 1 with it, that is maximum order is 7. Okay, this while applying this existing with the FIR condition, we will get the linear phase coefficient for n equal to 0, h of 0 equal to h of 6, 1 it is 5, then 2 it is 4 equal to 4, 3 equal to 3. This is a symmetric one. Okay, you have to combine all this coefficient by using this linear phase condition, that is h of z equal to 0th and 6th delays are equal. So while taking the coefficients common 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 plus z bar minus 6. Then first and fifth delays have a same coefficient values, that is 1 by 3, then 2 and 4. Then you have to combine all this, then you have to draw the structure, then you have to place 6 delays like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6th order, like this. You have to place all this like a ladder. Okay, up and down order you have to write it. Here you have to combine 0th, that is directly from the delay element, directly from the delay plus 6th element you have to add with the plus mark, then you have to multiply with the coefficient 1 by 2. Here you have to multiply with the coefficient, then 1 and 5, this 1 and 5 you have to add the first and this first and fifth element, you have to combine this two and multiply with the 1 by 3. Then second and fourth element, that is second and fourth, this fourth, second and fourth you have to add it and multiply with 1, and third one, second and fourth you have to add, then third one you have to add just 1 by 4. You have to multiply with the coefficient 1, 4. You have to combine all this in together, you get y of n. This is a relation between the x of n and y of n.